Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It is Friday. I'm going to keep this really brief. I'm having a very bad mental health day. It happens. I live and suffer from bipolar and extreme anxiety disorder. As you know, I'm an alcoholic. But I have been sober since December. I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to keep this really, really short. Last night, we were in Venezuela, where I prepared a very wonderful dish, asado negro. Basically, it's a beef roast, but the flavors are intense. It's most excellent. Everything personally was perfect. The roast was fork tender, the gravy was smooth, and just full of intense flavors. This is a try. This is on the repeat list. Tonight, I'm not doing the culinary expedition as scheduled. Tonight is technically pasta night, being Friday. Creamy Tuscan Shrimp Gnocchi. I consider gnocchi pasta. I know it's made from potatoes. So I've been looking forward to this one when I first saw it a few weeks ago. Was just trying to fit it into the schedule. There's no ingredients to look at, no mise en place, no hardware, just me. Hopefully, by taking a little bit of time off today, that I can get my head around what's going on in my life. So, with that, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.